So, this is a step-by-step plan to help you with your project. Step one is that you are going to select a person. If you choose, you can go to my Epic account and you can open that up and look at tons of books about famous people. Some you probably don't know, some you do. You can also go to Mayan and you will want to choose from biographies. The other thing you can do is you can choose someone who is not famous but important to you, such as your mom, a teacher, maybe someone in your community. Once you pick that person, you're going to write their full name here. And you need to make a claim about them, such as this person deserves a special day for these reasons. Once you have your person and your claim written, you're going to show your teacher. If your teacher approves, then they will sign off on this line right here. The second step is to decide who your audience is. You can write for your school community, so that would be like Garden City, the teachers, students, administration. Your local community is like people in the Indianapolis area. State lawmakers would be people in the state of Indiana. And then there's always other. So maybe if we're writing about someone from church, you might want to include the people at that church. The reference section will be completed as you do your research. You're going to try to find books, websites, and interviews. This part will be especially important if you are picking a person who is not famous, as in has books or websites published about them. So if you're writing about your grandmother, you would want to use some interviews. You are then going to complete these boxes in the research section where there is childhood, education, career, personal life, accomplishments, and other. There will be a special video explaining this. Step 4 is to revisit your research. Once your graphic organizer is completed, you're going to want to review it and go back and highlight 2 reasons that support your claim of why this person deserves a special day. Then you need to check. Make sure you have at least 2 facts or details to support each reason. If you do not have that, you need to go back and research more. This could be looking at another book, website, or interviewing another person. Once you get all of that done, you're going to write. You'll go to your Google Classroom, and there will be a speech template for you to open up. You're going to write your entire speech in this document. There will be an example speech for you to look at and an example video for you to look at. You can use that as many times as you need. You will need to include a title for your speech, an introduction paragraph, 2 paragraphs that include the reasons to support your claim, and a conclusion paragraph. Each paragraph should have facts, quotes, statistics, and examples. When you're finished doing your first writing, you're going to go back and revise. Remember, that means look for capitalization, punctuation, look for sentences that maybe need to be changed a little bit to make them have more sense. Once you get all of that done and you still have extra time, you may go back and add photos or a timeline. The final step is to publish. So that will be sending your writing to your teacher so that he or she can print your work. Also included on the step-by-step plan are some character traits that you might want to use for your person. These are all pretty positive character traits because remember, you are wanting someone who deserves a special day. In paragraph 1, it will give you exactly what you need to do to complete your paragraph. I suggest that you check these boxes off as you go. The same for paragraph 2, 3, and 4. At the very bottom of the page are some sentence starters that might help you get started, such as, I am convinced that, or the evidence shows. Good luck, and I am excited to see your final writing.